color ha. Mamaya na natin ilalagay. Okay, dahan-dahan ha. Sige, so, straight lang, huwag natin iangat. Yung yung blank, pwede ilalagay sa likod ng ng batok. Pwede ilalagay. O, dahan-dahan. Okay. Sige. Lalay ha. Tanggalin ko yung helmet. 1, 2, 3.
In the count of 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Slowly.
Galing ng transition.
Okay. So, tatlong sa side.
Remember, Donna, you calm yourself, okay?
Sa side, insert natin ng spine board. Insert natin yung spine board ha. So, isa pa. Isa pa.
Kailangan?
Isa pa. Pakibilisan.
Laki naman.
Okay, ready na yung spine board. Tatlo sa gilid. Ma'am, punta po sa gilid. Sa kabila. Okay.
Wait, we have to walk.
Hindi na po. Yun na yan sa akin. Okay, ready. Show me your hand. Show me your hands. Ready to insert?
Okay?
Ready to insert? At the count of 3. Insert niyo yung hands. 1, 2, 3. Insert lang. Okay.
Left to one right side.
So, ready to insert the spine board? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, insert. Okay, ready to load. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, move on the center. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Strap. Headlocks. Headlocks.
Give me the...
Okay, Ate Pet, pakiano na yung sa upper.
Ate Pe.
Sa cover nyo.
Yeah.
Okay, paki-lock. Sir, paki-lock na. Okay, lock. Wait lang. Sige. Dahan-dahan. Okay na? Yan, tayo. Okay.
No, wait.
Okay. Dito muna. Sabay. Huwag muna dyan sa sa may gitna. Baliktad. Okay, sabay.
Wait.
Okay, ready? Sabay.
Ito last. Yun na.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, last. Tayo.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Teka. Inhale.
Doon muna. Sa baba pala. Mamaya na dito.
Tingnan mo yung napagka.
Okay, sabay. Sabay ang paghigpit. 1, 2,
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sige.
Lock.
Next. 1, 2, 3.
Lock.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, inhale.
Inhale.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ilalagay na natin sa stretcher ha.
Okay.
Okay. So, ready to lift? Okay. Squat position. Standard. Squat position. Ready to lift? Ready. At the count of 3, lift. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Lock. Kaya man yung lock. Okay, lock. Okay, secure. Okay, so ambulance. Tulak. Go. On top. Ready to lift. 1, 2, 3. Oops.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.